how it will be help for the women's for
See,
English.
all women are capable of handling things. We have given a lot of strength, lot of programs to women. Women are capable. That is why they wanted to form an association. We are encouraging them. I saw, when I became a minister at irrigation, I could see in Asan, there were 3 women AS officers working there. SP of Asan, DC of Asan and CO. From 3 years, they could not open only 10,000 feet of complication. They could not connect. So I ordered them. I gave some direction. Within 1 month, they implemented, and we could bring back the water of Etinode. So women are more capable if you give them strength, but they need a direction. That's all. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರದ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ.